Hi guys, welcome to Jolly Kitchen. My name is Kid. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a super simple Thai dessert. It's banana in sweet coconut milk. Would you like to know how? Stay tuned. Alright everyone, welcome back to Jolly Kitchen with Kid, and it's been a while since my last episode. I went away for my family's wedding, and then I got attacked by the cold, so I was off work sick for a few days. Just got fully recovered, so I think it's a good time to get back into the cooking routine. And yeah, and yesterday I went to the local market and picked up real beautiful big bunch of sugar banana, or dukas here, that was it called, common name in Australia, and that in Thai probably called goi nam wa. Okay, so a big bunch of bananas remind me of one of my favorite classic Thai desserts, is banana in coconut milk. And today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious dish. As you can see here, the look of the ingredient is super simple. You will require a palm sugar, caster sugar, pandan leaves, and salt, and a coconut cream, and that's it. So first step, I'm going to heat up the pot. So the first thing we are going to do is to melt the sugar together. I use two types of sugar. The reason behind that, because that the palm sugar get a little bit the sweeter texture, it's more deeper sweetness, but the caster sugar is a bit lighter. It's a shallower of the flavor itself. Now the next tip is when you pick the bananas, make sure it's a sugar bananas. The other kind of banana I tried, I didn't really like the texture. It didn't give a really same results as when you use a sugar banana. This type of banana has a very high tannin, so the longer you cook, the beautiful color is going to become slightly reddish. And yeah, just cut the tip off and cut in half and then split into 4 pieces. Now one bunch you probably be able to serve maybe 5-6 people, so yeah, it's really like very economical way to make dessert using banana. And now my sugar is already melt, so you can see here really beautiful amber color, and that's I infused with the pandan leaves is going to give them extra fragrance into the syrup. Alright. The heat I use should to be low to medium at this point. So we are going to slow cook bananas. The reason why I cook banana in syrup is because it won't get mushy, and then the sugar will trap all the outer layer and coating the banana, so once it's cooked it will stay in really nice beautiful shape. So that's the trick I learned. We're going to let it cook like this until the banana ready, so it become a little bit clearer in the texture itself, less like white like this compared to when we first put it in the pot. So it probably took about like maybe 5-10 minutes, and then we'll come back and have a look at it. I think the banana started changing colors, and then you can taste it. So just pick one piece, take it out, and then have a little bite into it, so you can see the line, the core, and the banana piece is changing colors. That means it's ready to go. Right, moving on to the next part is where it's very vital to make a really good banana in coconut milk. The key is to make the coconut milk not split into the oily phase. So the thing is, you have to lower down the heat and then add the coconut cream and then stir immediately. So keep stirring. If you're not stirring, so the oil from the coconut cream going to split and become lumpy. So that's what we don't want in our coconut milk. Alright. At this point, you are probably almost ready to turn the heat off. But before you're doing that, don't forget to season with the salt, so the balance in flavor in this dish is going to be a little bit of sweetness, and then a little bit salty, a bit creamy, so the all magical three flavors combination. So add a really good flavor into this beautiful dessert. And that's the beauty of Thai cooking. So looks complicated, but it's really easy. Now it's time to serve. Just make sure you let it cool down. The best way to serve banana in coconut milk is to be slightly lukewarm, or maybe some people like to serve it like cold. I think I like serving cold better, so it tastes better for me. And here it is, guys, a super simple classic Thai dessert, banana in sweet coconut milk. And that's the result from our cooking today. I hope you guys enjoy watching, and if you'd like to support this channel, be sure to click the like button, subscribe and share the content. And I'm not sure what coming up next week, but I'll let you guys know. And thank you for watching this week. I hope to see you again next time. Take care, bye now.